Yeah, man, no good, man. I walk on.
You know, so me see, them a try out you doing.
And say I walk over there, sir.
I read me there, I read up some people. It become to help you.
No, sir.
Them a try, look here now. Them a
No,
try
sir.
them a try for mad you.
No, sir.
Serious thing, them a try out you bad.
Where you are trying now go work?
That's why me come here, me come to help you. Me come to give a helping hand, free.
Yeah, hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah, hear me?
Me I hear you.
Take off your time and look on the two away. Look on me and look on you. Which one I look like we need help?
No,
look, take off the everything from around you and look on yourself and look on me. Which one I will need help? Look on me. This is my chest then I hear. Look on me. Which one I will look like need help?
Me I say
you look like from when your barber dead.
Yo, look at me.
You look like from when your barber dead. You can't go out barbershop. You can't go out a shop. Dirty low life. Don't read me. You can't blood clot read me. Go read your blood clot self. And go read up your mother. You know see your mother life now run good. Eh? You know see your mother bumbo clot pussy come like track and feel. Everybody run up and down panny. Yeah, somebody? You know see your mother pussy make Usain Bolt have retire now.
Me say
because you have much people that run panny blood clot one field. You can't talk to me. All low life. Leave fire some man. Dirty dog shit. Leave fire some man. Go read up yourself, man. All wife dog, all mongrel. Come on, 5 people, man. You can't talk about look for me, but you want help blood clot me, eh? Eh? Or me cannot go down and bumbo clot hardware shop, dirty dog shit, make 2 people know you. Go buy 2 plyboard and some black and some something and get rid of yourself. Eh? Or me can use the blood clot pencil upon your blood clot head this and draw one castic for yourself. Draw the castic. Dirty dog shit. Eh? All ram up boy. All fortune teller. All blood clot mudfish. All Salaman Goro. Chat, come in chat. Come in chat. Where am I
help me come for help you. Where you go? Where you run?
No, sir.
No, sir. Alright, so you now make me talk.
No. No want no help.
So you alone for talk.
Go find your jacket, father. Go look for your jacket, father. Dirty low life. Go look for your real father. You know your papa? You know your mama dirty dog shit? Eh? Go find out how you depend this a blood clot earth here. Find out who did win the raffle. Find out who did win the blood clot raffle. Dirty dog shit. Eh? Go do your homework and come back. Go do a research at who are your father. Cause in a hospital a ban. I in a toilet a drop and splash up dirty dog shit. And I cannot make your people them dig one shit out for you. And you jump off tonight. Eh? Eh? I cannot go down for a Jerry Singer show and leave from you, so. I cannot leave. Dirty dog bed. Dirty low life. Leave from you, so, man. Come on, you want a dentist number? Hold on. Because I say you're a raw mouth, you know, you're a sud mouth boy, you know. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Me have a number for game, man. Hold on. Dirty raw mouth boy. All I want to come around and say, you know, go and like bono and read up. You want to read up and feel like they run, it a run, so. Look on what I can talk about. See number there. Dirty mouth boy. See number there. Bumble, see number there. See number there. See number there. And you need help, see number there. Call a number there. See the number there.
You want help?
See the number there.
You want help, brother?
TikTok title, see number there. Ram up, boy,
KFC
see number
bathroom.
there.
Stop shit in a KFC
see number there.
KFC bathroom.
See help there. Stop
shit in a KFC bathroom.
Dirty dog shit. Dirty low life, see number there. Galan, go help yourself now. Help yourself from there, so. Go call a number there. V6 style it, go away. Dirty dog shit. Ashes to ashes, dust to dust in your sting, blood clot. Go away. Dirty dog bed, go away. Raw mouth, go away. Leave now. Leave off our people, them up. All false blood clot prophet. What you mean? See how I brush your deep. Yeah man, no good man, I walk on.
You know what, so me see them a try out of you though.